What's up, guys? So today I am working on my 2014 Ford Focus SE with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, and today we are working on the oxygen sensor bank 1. I do have a check engine light, so we're gonna turn the battery on. On my car. I don't know if it's in every car, but in this car specifically, I don't need to have the battery on. But because I do have a check engine light and I know the code already, because I already know the code and I already went to buy the oxygen sensor at AutoZone, and I do have the receipt just in case you guys want to know how much was it. So in total was, I think, let me check. So in total was 76.11 with 11 cents, $76.11. That is the part number TL936-0319. Duralast $16.99. Obviously, after taxes, $76.11. Just in case you guys want to buy this part for your car, it comes with two different parts. It just depends which one you want to get. For me, Duralast was the cheapest one for me because the Bosch was actually almost $100. So I literally saved myself like about $40 just by not buying the Bosch, which is like $83.99 or something like that. And after taxes, like it's almost like $96, something like that. So I was like, nah, I'd rather just buy the Duralast, and if it works, it works, and if it's not, I'll go to the second option, will be that one. But as right now, every oxygen sensor should work the same. Just want to give you that. Here's the box. Duralast DL936-0319. There's a cheaper one, which is aftermarket, which is like $50. But they'll tell you like sometimes your car will reject the oxygen sensor, so you might have to just go back to the store and tell them, hey, it didn't work out. And you're only gonna have to pay the difference, which is like depending on how much is the second option or your third option that is, and that'll be it. But yeah, for me, I took Duralast, which is like the match. It's like the closest match to the original factory oxygen sensor. But let me read the code, show you guys what it is. Obviously, I do have a check engine light. It didn't went off. Current mileage is 81,179. About getting about almost 30 gallons per. That's not bad. 30 miles per gallon. That's not bad. Okay, so we go back. We press reading. She has one code. I used to have two. It was the EVAP, small leak or large leak, but it's because one of my the EVAP, one of the little hoses that runs. I'll show you guys right now. That goes connected to the intake was loose, so I kind of tied it out with a zip tie, but it made a difference. Believe it or not. It made a difference. No. We're not going up there. We're not going there. We read codes, DTCs. Okay. Unable to bleed out fuel tank vacuum. Okay. That's a new one for me. But I think I having these issues because, like I said, my oxygen sensor, it's like messed up for like over a week. And yes, these oxygen sensors were and are in back order, so you have to order them online. Once you order them online, you should be able to get like notification through your email and a message telling you, hey, your order is ready, because they had to look around around the area to see if they have one available, because I went to 3 different stores and they didn't have them. I mean, they have them, but they only had the Bosch. So I was like, no, I mean, I do have the money, but I think $100 for an oxygen sensor is just too much. So I went home and ordered it through online. I was like, I gotta order this through online because this is gonna be cheaper for me. And yep, I found this one for $76. Here's the part again. So yeah, that's a new one for me. Unable to bleed out fuel tank vacuum. I'm not having a fuel problem. So this is probably related to what I having issues with the oxygen sensor. All right, let's shut that off. Get it in line. Keys in my pocket. Now that we know that the check engine light is on, let's see. Yeah. Okay. Let me see if I could go back to history. Okay. Okay, so it's not letting me go back to history. Okay, so let's go back to the front. Show you guys what I'm talking about. Got my tools right there. So this is what I'm talking about. Here I have the original matching sensor to the factory one. So same pins, even the little pink color, you barely see it. Same pins, the little pink color in the middle, and you can see it goes all the way back there. This is your bank one. This is your bank one. The one all the way over there is your bank 2, bank 1, and this was causing my problem right here. This, so my EVAP, because I have an aftermarket intake system, so my EVAP was loose. I mean, it's still loose, but there, that should work right now. Yep, perfect. Push out a little. Okay, well, we'll figure out that later, but I want to get this done first. I gotta get my socket. Now I gotta find them to see where exactly I put them. Because I remember. And I could get a wrench, but I don't want to do none of that work. Let's see. Is this the original one? I hope it's not. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, this might be the original one. Cause let me see the factory one, the after. Yeah, this one doesn't have it. You see, guys? Yeah, so this one doesn't have it. So this is the factory one. So I want to see if there's anything water, moisture. It looks like water, moisture got in here, but it didn't wet. Oh, you know what? I think it did. I think the pens got moisture. Or it's just me. Yeah, I think it did. Okay, so let me get my sockets, get you guys in the second video together, and then catch you guys in a little bit.